It's kickoff for a soccer match. But there's a stain on your child's shirt. BASF ingredients and liquid detergents help to remove stubborn stains like grass, milk, egg, and blood. They also facilitate the use of efficient and convenient single doses and energy-saving low-temperature washing. Lavergy Pro enzymes in combination with Sokolon HP20 make it possible. How exactly do the Lavergy Pro enzymes work? What exactly happens in the suds containing the fabric with stubborn grass stains? The protein-based grass stain swells up in the water. The active players are stain proteins shown here as a spiral chain. And the spherically shaped enzyme, Lavergy Pro. The enzyme docks onto the protein stain and breaks the chain at several sites. The process is repeated simultaneously at different sites on the stain. Surfactants suspended in the water and the branched polymer Sokolon HP20 bind to the dirt particles. Structures called micelles form by grouping with the dirt particles on the inside and with the surfactants and polymers as an outer coating. They completely surround the dirt particles, detach them from the fabric surface, and stop them from reattaching to the fabric. This process is repeated many times on the surface of the fabric. The dirt suspended in the micelle is easily carried away. The stains have gone and the shirt is clean. Lavergy Pro enzymes with BASF's broad portfolio is an unbeatable combination. 1-0 against stains, even at low temperatures, and a win-win for all.
BASF. We create chemistry.